Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss the problem 2 from the August circuits 2020, and the problem name is anti-palindrome strings. So you're given a string S contain only lowercase alphabets. You can swap two adjacent characters in any number of times. So you can swap only two adjacent characters. So what you can do, a string is called anti-palindrome if it is not a palindrome. Okay, if it is not a palindrome, it's anti-palindrome. If it is possible to make such a string which is anti-palindrome, then you have to find out the lexicographically smallest anti-palindrome. And if it is not possible, you have to print out -1. So that's the question. You can also draw 2-3 test cases, and it is very simple problem. The problem, as you can see in this, the test cases only, you can understand that, okay, if you cannot, even after swapping everything, even it will still remain palindrome. It can be only one case in which everything is same. You can swap any numbers and then it will become palindrome only. So if every number or every alphabet is same, then it is -1 because you cannot do anything. If at least one element is different, and after, so what you can do, you can, because you can swap every two adjacent characters, what this actually means is that you can take any number, any character, and place it at any position, because you can swap any character. It is like bubble sort. Bubble sort is like sorting every number. You can sort any number. It is just swapping adjacent numbers only. So you can do bubble sort, so you can transfer any number to any place, or any character to any place. So which means that if there is at least one character which is different, if every character is not same, then what you can do, you can just sort out this whole array, or this actually string. If you can sort out, that's the lexicographically smallest string, and that's also not a palindrome, because at least there is one character which is not same, so it will always not become a palindrome. So that's the whole logic for this question. It's very simple. Let's move on to the question called the code part. Take the input of the string and then check that whether this whole string is same or not. If this whole string is same, or actually if you don't find, if you find a character which is not same, the I and I plus 1 character is not same, which means that it is like the whole string is not same. If the whole string is not same, then you can do some processing in which you just sort out the whole array and print out the array. If the whole string is same, then the flag will not turn out to be false, it is turn out to be true, and you will return out -1, because you cannot do any swapping, and then only the string will remain same. I hope you understand the logic as well as the code for both the question. If you still have any doubts, please mention down. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.